Hi, I'm Sev. I'm quickly inviting you to a brand new live event called The Universe Speaks, Talks to Empower You. It's on September 28th in Annapolis, Maryland, and if you can't attend in person, you can attend virtually. Some of the topics of the talks include parallel worlds, ET contact, secret government paranormal research, your psychic abilities, the human energy grid, the law of alignment, which is a powerful law for manifestation, and how to fulfill your life's purpose. So what do parallel worlds and ETs and psychic powers and fulfilling your life's purpose have in common? A lot. They all deal with interdimensional communication. You know you're a ball of energy and you exist in multiple dimensions simultaneously. In other words, you live in a quantum world. And you're having interactions and experiences in these multiple dimensions where you're receiving important information. When you attend this live event, whether you attend in person or virtually, you will learn how to access and use this powerful interdimensional information, which holds the potential to change your life. I will be giving 3 talks, and Randi Botnick will be giving a talk, and there is much more to this event than what I've shared with you. So to discover everything offered to you and to purchase your tickets for the live event, whether you attend in person or virtually, please go to planetsev.com. And don't forget, the universe does speak to you. Are you listening?